Well, good afternoon. Markets have just closed. It is the 14th of December, and we had an updated day in cotton follow through from recent days in the market as speculators continue to successfully push the market higher. We'll look at that a little bit more in just a second. Grain markets are a different story. Everything appears to be closing lower. Well, it looks like late the wheat market firmed up some and is going to close higher. Just more of the same there. It's almost a completely the opposite of cotton market. Speculators coming in, pushing the market higher as long as they're allowed to do so. Grain markets are seeing people leave the market, and in doing so are pushing the market down. No news. I mean, really, there's very little, if any, news. It's just cotton. It's just speculators have historically been successful once they get rolling to continue to push it until it runs into a wall. It overdoes it to the upside in this case and exhausts itself. So we're just waiting to see what that is. It might take a few days of this, might go a couple hundred points higher. It's hard to measure that or know. Looking at the cotton market, closed up 120 at 74.33 with a high of 75.33 with a high of 75.56 and a low of 73.90. January soybeans down 11.5 at 967 3/4. That doesn't make any sense, but that's happening. A high of 981, a low of 966.5. Corn down a quarter at 348 3/4. A high of 350 3/4, a low of 348. March wheat up a penny and a half. The lone up market of these ag markets at 418 1/4, a high of 420 3/4, a low of 416. Looking at the dollar is up right now about 2 points. The crude oil market's up 47 cents a barrel. Gold market is up $9. Silver market's up 9 cents. And let's look at the Dow Jones, down 19 right now. That is it. Look forward to coming in tomorrow morning to see if cotton can get higher. Let me encourage you. It's a time to consider doing some selling if you're not sold. Not just for this crop year we're dealing with now, but even looking at next December. There are opportunities here. Speculators that overdo a market, in this case to the upside, oftentimes present real opportunity to farmers to take advantage of. Typically, people are stunned when this happens and they don't know what to do and they don't do anything. You need to think about this and look at these markets. There might be some opportunities here. That's it. Have a good day. We'll talk to you tomorrow. Thank you.